Hey everyone, I hope you're having a good night. I'm getting ready to get into bed. Obviously, I just got out of the shower and I wanted to show you quickly how to use our brand new AHA toner that just launched a few days ago. I haven't had a chance to show you how to use it and what it does, so I wanted to show you. So first of all, this is in glass packaging. It's a fairly large size, and what this toner does is it helps to refine your pores and help to brighten your overall complexion. So it has glycolic acid in it, it has niacinamide in it, which is great for the skin, and it also has kombucha to help with smoothing of the skin. So you're going to use this just like you would any other toner, and if you just watched my previous video on the 4 steps of a skincare routine, you know exactly what a toner does. So if you don't know, go check that out. But you're just going to put a little bit on a cotton pad and put it all over your face just like you would a toner, and you can use it 1 to 2 times a week, gradually working up to using it every day. You can work up to using this product every single day in your routine, which is awesome. But if you are somebody that uses something like our overnight resurfacing peel or our reflect effect mask, I would just work on rotating the acids in your routine. That way you're not like overdoing it with all the acids. But I would just rotate this in like your normal routine. And then what I'm gonna do is just follow my regular routine after using that toner. I'm going to use the Radiance Serum after that, and then I'm going to use the brightening oil just like I normally would. I put this on at night, and then I sleep with it on, and then in the morning I do my regular routine. You can apply it in the morning if you want. I just tend to personally like treatment things or acids on my skin at night when my skin is repairing and doing all the good work while I'm sleeping. So let me know what questions you have. I'm happy to help.